Hello friends, in this lecture we will see contour area with spiral pattern. So I have this part and I have already defined a tool. Double click over it. Let's see the tool. Okay, so now go to this create operation and here under this mill contour you will find this contour area and my tool is this workpiece 1 and I want to do the finishing operation. And here first select the geometry. This is my geometry and my pattern is spiral. So go to this and change it to spiral and invert and 10 I'm going to change it to 25 and same for this 25 so that the toolpath will visible properly. That's why I have changed it to 25. Let's see the preview. This is the spiral drive method and you can use this with the help of this cut pattern. We can directly switch to the spiral method. And here I have chosen this steep and non-steep so that all the faces, whatever it is steep or non-steep, on all the faces it will create a spiral pattern. Okay, see this is the toolpath and click here and I want to see this toolpath, so see this, here is the spiral method and it is starting from the steep. So first it is creating the steep pattern because my order is steep first, so it is starting from the steep, then it will go to the non-steep area. Okay, smooth, generated path smooth, and we can change this direction outward or inward. We have both direction. And here we have finished passes, outer shape or inner shape or all shape. If you want to add one finish pass, we can add all shape, so on all face it will create a finish pass as well. Okay, and my tool axis is along the z axis, so no need to change anything here, and rest option are the same. And select this. Okay, so this is spiral drive contour area method.